Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tent table is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned camper, a weekend hiker, or simply someone who enjoys picnicking in the park. This seemingly simple piece of equipment can elevate your outdoor experience from basic to brilliant, providing a stable and convenient surface for everything from preparing meals and playing cards to displaying your gear or enjoying a meal with a view. Imagine effortlessly setting up a sturdy, reliable surface wherever your adventures take you, transforming any patch of ground into a functional and comfortable base camp. Number 5. Lepro LED Camping Lantern, 4-pack. Introducing the Lepro LED Camping Lantern, your must-have for any outdoor adventure. This compact and lightweight lantern provides reliable illumination wherever you go. Choose from 3 distinct lighting modes to suit your needs. Whether you need soft white light for 10 hours or a brighter cool white for 5 hours, it has you covered. Smaller than a standard light bulb and weighing only 55 g with batteries, it's easy to pack. It fits perfectly in your backpack or survival kit for any activity. Featuring a handy hook, you can use it as a handheld flashlight or hang it up. It's perfect for illuminating your tent or clipping to your backpack. This portable light is completely wireless and battery-operated, powered by 3 included AAA batteries. Enjoy convenience both indoors and outdoors. This pack includes 4 camping lanterns, 12 AAA batteries, and a manual. They are ideal for emergencies, camping, hiking, fishing, and more. What we like. This offers versatile lighting for any situation with its multiple modes. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack. If you need reliable, portable light for camping, hiking, or emergencies, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Awesome addition to camp packs or hiking gear. Heck, even use around the house, awesome little lights to add a little brightness to your night around the tent, camp, fire, backyard, or anywhere. Kids love them too, and with them being LED and having a clip, they can take and use them anywhere. No fear of getting hot, have a great look to them, very lightweight. Easy functionality with one button for power, dimming, etc. These lanterns may be small, but they are very bright and lightweight. Sometimes I forget it has batteries in it. That's how lightweight it is. I didn't think that it was going to be so bright, but boy was I wrong. I highly recommend this battery-operated lantern. Has 3 lighting settings, lights up a room really well without glare, comes with AAA batteries for each light, clip to attach to the ceiling of your tent. The second lighting color is warm, perfect for sensitive eyes. Perfect compact size. Can be used as a flashlight as well. Number 4. Camp Field Folding Aluminum Table. Introducing the Camp Field Folding Aluminum Table. Setting it up for your next adventure is quick and simple, just unfold and go. This table folds down to a compact size, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. It's perfect for any outdoor excursion where space is a consideration. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or hosting a backyard barbecue, this table is your go-to surface. Use it for cooking, dining, or as a convenient spot for your gear. Built to last, it can hold up to 68 pounds and comes with handy features like hook and loop fasteners and a storage canvas. It's designed for all your outdoor needs. Please note that the tabletop is not waterproof. For best results, use a tablecloth or placemat outdoors and wipe it dry if exposed to rain to maintain its longevity. Enjoy the convenience and functionality of this foldable table on all your travels. It's the ideal addition to your outdoor gear collection. What we like. This table is incredibly easy to set up and fold away, perfect for saving space. Its adjustable legs make it adaptable to uneven surfaces. If you're looking for a versatile and portable table for picnics, BBQs, or general camping use, this is a great option. What people say. Great addition to our camping gear, and the storage compartments underneath make a lot of difference when putting away things we don't want sitting out to get dirty. Compact and sturdy, and would definitely recommend. Very easy to set up and ample space. Bought 2. Have one for our kitchen and one in our tent. It's nice to put all the food like chips, small speaker, or whatever you want to store in and zip up, then go hit the water. It's easy to fold up and take camping, or setting up outside in the backyard. Doesn't take up space to store either. It also adjusts to go short or tall. Number 3. Avery Printable Tent Cards 5913. Create a professional look for your next event or display. These customizable cards are perfect for trade shows, meetings, and branding opportunities. Enjoy a clean, seamless finish with our micro-perforated design for easy separation and smooth borders. They're pre-scored for quick folding and stand upright perfectly. Print stunning, double-sided cards with full bleed capability, allowing your designs to go right to the edge. The high-quality textured ivory cardstock ensures a beautiful presentation. Experience a more reliable print with our proprietary SureFeed technology. It's designed to minimize misalignments and prevent printer jams for a hassle-free experience. Easily design and print your own personalized, two-sided cards. Use our online tools and templates, then print directly from your laser or inkjet printer. What we like. These cards offer a professional finish with easy customization. The SureFeed technology ensures a smooth printing experience. If you need to create personalized place cards, product displays, or event signage with a clean, professional look, these are ideal. What people say. Sturdy and allowed for easy printing. They are very sturdy and worked very well for what we use them. The cards do release from the sheet perfectly with smooth edges and make a very nice table accent. Number 2. Tire Table Medium Steel Camping Table. Introducing the Tire Table, your perfect partner for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or on an overland journey, this table is designed to enhance your experience. Setting up is a breeze. It easily attaches to any tire on your vehicle or trailer in seconds, no tools or hitch required. Get ready to relax and enjoy your surroundings. This table is built to last, easily holding up to 50 pounds. Its durable powder-coated finish ensures it can withstand the elements, providing a stable surface for all your needs. With its medium size, it fits a wide range of tires and offers ample space for food preparation, meals, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee. It's the perfect addition to your campsite or tailgate setup. When it's time to pack up, it conveniently collapses for easy storage in your trunk, cargo area, or RV basement. All support parts stored directly on the table, so you won't lose anything. From construction sites to automotive work, and from hunting trips to family picnics, this table is incredibly versatile. It's designed for a variety of outdoor activities and work environments. What we like. This table provides a convenient surface that attaches directly to your vehicle's tire. It requires no tools for installation, making setup a breeze. If you enjoy tailgating, overland excursions, or need a temporary workspace at a campsite or construction site, this is a practical solution. What people say. It is very sturdy, well made. The table attached easily to my 33 tires. It stood for 3 days and never faltered. This thing has had hundreds of uses and still going strong. Frame is nice and the mesh is thick, so no bends or warping. With the leg down, I have had things as heavy as a little pellet smoker on it. Number 1. Reusable Dry Erase Name Tent Cards, 30-pack. Introducing our reusable dry erase name tents, perfect for any occasion. These durable cards are designed for repeated use, saving you time and resources. Measuring 8.5 by 3 inches when folded, they offer ample space for clear identification. Use them for name tags, classroom aids, or even creative designs. Crafted for longevity, these tents work with both dry and wet erase markers. Simply wipe them clean and they're ready for their next use. Opt for an eco-conscious choice with these reusable name cards. You can use them again and again, reducing waste. Ideal for weddings, classrooms, conferences, and more. They provide a professional and convenient way to label spaces and guests. This pack includes 30 reusable name tents, ensuring you have plenty for your needs. Get organized and make a lasting impression. What we like. These are reusable and can be written on with dry or wet erase markers, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. Their foldable design makes them easy to store and transport. If you need name tags for classrooms, events, or temporary labeling that can be easily updated, these are perfect. What people say. The table is very sturdy and stable, even on uneven ground. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The setup is a breeze, taking only a few minutes to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.